Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, before you sit down, let's have a prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Starting with our blessed Son, bless each and every one. The Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. So before you sit down, kindly arrange your chair. And so, Kenneth, kindly check the attendance and give it a method. So class, what is this? Hat. Hat ba? Hat is for what? Okay. Oh no! I've lost my script. What should I do? I have 5 minutes left. So class, what do you think I was doing?
Drama. Acting.
So, was that real or pretend? Pretend. So, have you ever pretended to be someone else? Class? Have you ever pretended to be someone else?
Sometimes,
Sometimes. In what way?
kaya nasa situation na, pretend ka na, okay ka, hindi.
So, with that, let's have an activity first. So, are you ready? Are you ready?
Ready, ma'am.
Okay, so our activity for today is act it out. So, did you familiar about act it out, class? So, let's have the mechanics first. So, the class will be divided into 2 groups. Each group, so since you are few, so let's have one group na lang. So, one of the members to act out decisively in front of the class with 5 drama terms or actions from the roll paper. So, I have here a roll paper. While the other guess within 5 minutes, so you only have 5 minutes to guess what is your classmate act it out. And class, the most correct guesses earns a point. So you have to deliver correctly. So who's the volunteer for the student who performed here in front? Class, are you ready?
Ready?
Yes. So, Anthony,
Stop.
stand here in front and pick 5 roll papers.
1, 2, 4, 3, 5.
Okay.
Sorry,
So,
ma'am.
ang imo lang po aton is every roll paper here na ay some words nga imong i-act. Tapos ang imong mga classmates ang mo guess. So you only have 5 minutes for this activity.
1 minute.
Let's start. 3, 2, 1, action. Nervous. Shock.
Stage fright. Stage fright.
Afraid. Afraid.
Fear.
Scared. Fear.
Fear.
Yes. Next.
Number 2. Shock.
Happy.
Surprise. Surprise. Surprise.
Surprise.
Number 3. Missing the bus. Missing the bus.
Reporting.
4.3. News.
Acting.
Reporting.
Yes,
News
reporter.
reporting.
Isa to yung today.
Oo, sakto. Tuloy ka na. Sige na.
Oh,
Next. Last one.
Last two, one.
Superhero.
Hero.
Superhero.
Superhero.
Wow.
Ah.
Thank you. So you have a great activity. Did you enjoy class?
Yes, ma'am.
So before we proceed, let's have a question. Jay,
Yay!
how did you find the activity?
I find it funny, joyful. Warna.
Okay. How about you, Mary Joy? What can you say about our activity?
It's entertaining.
Okay, that's great. So, Leomi, what do you think is our topic for today?
About acting, ma'am.
Acting. Who else?
Drama.
Drama. So let's see. But before that, let me introduce to you our objective. So at the end of the lesson, the student will be able to perform drama with 85% efficiency. So our topic for today is all about drama. Yes, you're right. So what do you think is drama?
Acting.
Acting?
Acting with emotion.
Okay. For the definition, kindly read everyone.
Drama.
It's
A literary composition involving conflict, action, crisis, and atmospheric side to be acted by players on stage before an audience.
So what do you mean by that? Based on the definition, what is drama? So when we have drama, so naadyo'y audience na ay mo-act. It's either on the stage or in different way na maka-act ang isa ka or ang actor. So we have type of drama. First is the tragedy. Can you read? Everyone.
Tragedy. A type of drama in which the characters experience reversals of fortune, usually for the worse. Catastrophe and suffering away the meaning of the characters, especially the hero.
So nakakita na ba mo og mga movies or something, mga drama na based on tragedy? Ano man? Like, kung sa may mga kuan yung tragedy, kung sa may flow sa drama. Problem. So, ang ending ana, when we talk about tragedy, ang ending is like words or like something like mamatay sa iyang family or it's either ang bida may mamatay. So that's what we call tragedy. So the next one is comedy. What do you think is comedy? Comedy. Can you read?
A type of drama in which the characters experience reversals of fortune, usually for the hero. Things work out happily in the end. Maybe romantic, characterized by a tone of tolerance and geniality or satire. Satiric works offer a darker vision of human nature, one that ridicules human folly.
So comedy. So ang comedy is kabaliktaran sa tragedy. So ang comedy is like katawanan. Diba? Funny. Naiusa ka ang scenario mga katawanan or naiusa ka tao mga katawanan. So next one is tragic comedy. So when we say tragic comedy, it is a play that does not adhere strictly to the structure of tragedy. This is usually a serious play that also has some of the qualities of comedy, and it are na-mix siya with naitrahedya but dili malikyan nga na asay comedy or naikatawanan sa usa ka scenario.
Comedy. Comedy ako naman.
Okay. So the fourth one is farce. Farce, a light dramatic work in which highly improbable but situation. So exaggerated. So, exaggerated means ano bang murag over na kayo imong pag-express sa imong feelings or ang imong action nga mag-guess dayon napa may mga nakita nga more exaggerated nga like cartoons or something, movies. For example, ana kay ang action ni Mr. Bean. Diba exaggerated kay ang mga action. So makita din nga that's what we call farce. Okay, then Tom and Jerry. Yeah, so that's a great example. Jerry. So the fifth one is melodrama. A melodrama such as play film or a television program characterized by exaggerated emotions, stereotypical characters and interpersonal conflicts. So, kisa mo makapalang sa ning melodrama? Based on your understanding, Jane, what is melodrama? Mary Jo.
For example, is sa ikaw lamang, melodrama na siya nga type sa film. Like, pinigay siya yung serious, ako nang serious siya, pero ang mga characters ganit kay, sad, and mga
By exaggerated emotions. Like, kung hilang sila, hilang juga ayo, di ba? Ana. Ya, kung sama tayo mag-away, di ba exaggerated yung nga ma-express yung nila mag-guess sad sa mga audience na nag-away din sila through their actions. So the fifth one is romantic melodrama. So it is an extended fictional prose narrative about improbable events involving characters that are quite different from ordinary people. So, unsa may imong mag-guess ana nga mga movies sa romantic melodrama? So the best example ana kay ang Romeo and Juliet. Unsa imong makuha sa Romeo and Juliet? About the love story about Romeo and Juliet. And in a melodrama because makuha po sa mga tragicomedy kay tungkol sa iyang ending na tragedy. Ang Romeo and Juliet. Why?
serious mo ito kaya iba tukas kinag-avoid yan si Romeo kay sa marami sinisabi na sila din si Juliet kay parang sa mga lubo niya di ba kasi mag-isip na side na mag-break sila kay ilala sila sa life nila na pero pag ending kay parang wala sila nagkasabot ganit na ang purpose ni Juliet na nag-irritate o composure kay para ma-end na at ang war mabilis din nagtuman si Romeo nga namatay rin si Juliet mo ito ni ito sa composure mo ito namatay yun siya din
So, belong po siya sa tragedy. But in a romantic way, ang ilahang love story about ang ilahang kung based lang kang Romeo and Juliet, is not just ka ng romantic way. Pero ang story po kay belong po sa tragedy. Okay, the Titanic. Why? Why, Liam? Not yung film story, tapos not yung tragedy. The next one is satire melody. So, to differentiate between satire and romantic, kaya ang satire is a literary work in which human vice or folly in attack A literary mode based on a criticism of people and society through ridiculous. Kato gani, unsay mo makuha na mga exaggerated ko siya nga, pero tao ang nagdala na malag like iron yung iyang mga actions na makita kay like ang kanapang para siya pero naka-times to ang iyang actions kay paspas ba bali ang sa usa ka scenario daghan na lugar ang iyang maadtuan pero anang mura siya more on katawanan po pero ang iyang action is paspas. So I think that's all for last type of drama. So before we end our discussion, we have a question. What have you learned from our previous discussion? We learned about the types of drama.
Comedy, tragedy,
Drama.
satire, drama,
And about drama. So there are types of drama, and each drama have different kinds of
different kind of
guys. Okay. So
different kinds.
different. So before we end our discussion, let's have a last activity. Are you ready, class? Okay pa ba ang mag-activity ta? Okay. So our activity entitled Drama Match-Up Game. So direction, the student will be divided into two, but you only few, so naatay one group lang, and you pick randomly roll paper with a set of short drama scenario. So I have here the mga paper, and then naalay usa ka representative ng kuha, and then identify which type of drama ang inyong mapili, then justify your answer.
Ano ka na? Out.
I-act mo siya.
Iyak na siya.
Out ka na. So, kinsa yung representative?
Bunot tayo!
So, are you ready, class? 3, 2, 1. Lagi pa ka? Ready na? Ready na? Ready na? And lights, camera, action.
You're such a good kid. Why is that fair? Ano sa fair?
I think I noticed something about boy. Hi guys. Okay. So what's this story all about? Anthony.
Panchan. Tragic drama.
Why? Justify your answer why.
Because parang based on the acting ng di kuan ilang dibuhat eh kuan nagkuhan sila o ng ayaw nana sila yung nakadadawat ko na ng message ko na minawag ka sila nakuha nila ilang friends, loved ones, kaya na po.
Okay. Then thank you. So you have the right answer. So before we enter our discussion, kindly write down your assignment and this is the criteria. And that's all. So I think that's all for today's